So I'll tell you what I done. I went to Walmart, or you can get this about anywhere, and I got some wax and dry spray for the kayak. So you can see it's kind of pretty dirty. I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to wax it, and kind of show you how I do it. So anyway, stay tuned. Alright, our directions say wash your car or vehicle, whatever, but don't wash your kayak. And then spray this on while it's wet, and then wipe it off with a cotton cloth. So that's what we're going to do. Anyway, guys, I waxed my kayak with that turtle waxing. It's called wax and dry spray wax, and I hope it makes a little difference. It looks better. Brought the colors back out in the kayak. I'm hoping it tracks better. That's my big thing, and you know, we got to take care of our equipment. So especially if you spend enough money on them like you will if you buy a Jackson. I mean, I like them, but they're a little pricey. But anyway, you kind of get what you pay for when it comes to kayaks, and you really do. So anyway, it's River Jumper. God bless. Hey, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my videos. I got all kinds of cool videos out. So see you later. River Jumper out.